Vybz Kartel is free and he has been in prison for 13 years and is 48 years old, and many African countries love Vybz Kartel. Calculate which country in Africa he should perform first using formula of Canada, Ethiopia and France in 2024. Calculate which country in Africa should perform first using formula of France, Canada and Ethiopia. Vybz Kartel, it stands for VZ, is 48 years old and he has been in prison for 13 years old. Now, apply the formula of Einstein periodic table. Apply the formula of Einstein periodic table. An Einstein periodic table formula look like this. This is the Einstein periodic table. Now, take this 48, come and light it here, 48 like this, and 31 like this. Now add. If you add, you will get 3 plus 1, which is equals to 1, carry 1, 4, 5, 6. Now you got 6, 1. Now let's go to the word Canada, Ethiopia, and France. Pick the first letter in every word. E for Ethiopia and F for France. Now apply the formula of alphabetical numbers according to lineage like this. Apply the formula of alphabetical numbers like this. Alphabetical numbers like this. Now if C equals to 3 according to formula of alphabetical numbers, pick 3, come and write it here, 3 like this. Now if E equals to 5 according to formula of alphabetical numbers, like 5 like this. Now if F equals to 6 according to formula of alphabetical numbers, like this. Now take this, come and write it here, 3, 5, 6 like this. Now add here 0 in order to subtract this mathematical. Now if 10 minus 6 equals to 4 like this. Now if 60 divided by 35 equals to 25. Now we got 254. Now according to Kenyans, they know 254 is the code of Kenya. Now Vybz Kartel, he should perform his first performance since he's free prisoner in Kenya, because 254 is also Kenya, so he should perform in Kenya. P plus P equals to 28. P plus P equals to 28. How? Please pay attention. Assume you wrap this 0 and we write it here. Then you wrap this another 0. You write it here. So you left with 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2. Take this 0 here up and this 0 here down. So you got 28. Brazil plus England plus Denmark equals to Kenya. Brazil plus England plus Denmark equals to Kenya. How? Now, please pay attention. Simple mathematics. Now, pick the first letter in every word. First letter in every word. Now, you have formed the word bed. Now, use this formula. Use alphabetical and arranging them in numbers. How? Like this. Come and write here alphabetical A, B, C, D, and E. And arranging them in numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, according to numbers in alphabetical words, pick 2 equals to bed. E equals to 5. And D equals to 4. According to alphabetical numbers. As all Kenyans know, 254 is the code of Kenya. Prove that 15 plus 15 equals to 25. Prove that 15 plus 15 equals to 25. How? Now, please pay attention. Simple mathematics. First and foremost, let's apply the formula of Einstein family. How? An arrow plus an arrow minus square root. Now this formula will work out to get an answer 25. Now please pay attention. Pick the first arrow, come and drop here like this. Drop this 5 like this. Plus this an arrow equals to 5. Now you have wrapped with 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Now if you add this 5 plus 5, it will become 10. Now use this square root to 25. If square root of 25 is 5, now drop this 5 here, minus 10 minus 5, which is equals into 5. As you drop this 5, your answer will become 25. Ruto is 4 years old and Gachagua is 253 years old and Gen Z are B years old. Calculate which year did Gen Z gain independence. Calculate which year did Gen Z gain independence. Please pay attention. Simple mathematics. Ruto stand for R is 4 years old and Gachagua stand for G is 253 years old and Gen Z GZ are B years old. Now apply the formula of Einstein probability. Apply the formula of Einstein probability. And Einstein probability formula look like this. Bracket times bracket times bracket. Now apply this bracket here like this times bracket. Now 4 times 253 equals to 10. Now let's go to times B. Now apply the formula of alphabetical numbers. How? Apply the formula of alphabetical numbers like this. Now if B equals to 2 according to alphabetical numbers, pick these two, come and write it here. 10, 12 times 2, which is equals into 20. 2024. According to 2024, Gen Zs fought against Zakayo high tax and win the battle in 2024 and retain their independence.
Yes.
Soma jina.
Gachagua.
Soma jina.
Alicia Kanini.
Soma jina.
Mzigo.
Soma jina.
Yes.
Soma jina.
No.
I wonder.
Jana.
Yes.
Chagua. Alicia Kanini. Akupe. Mzigo. Yes or no. Choose wisely.
No.
Choose wisely.
No.
Choose wisely.
No.
Choose wisely.
No.
Why?
It's mkono. It's ingiari. It's yote. It's...
Uganda Gen Zs are 20 years old and believed to be tough times 4 of Kenya Gen Zs. They want to demonstrate due to collapsed government of President Museveni. And Museveni believed to be ruled for 40 years. Calculate probability ratio of Uganda Gen Zs winning against government of Museveni. Calculate probability ratio of Uganda Gen Zs winning against the government of Museveni. Now, Uganda Gen Zs, which stand for UGZ, are 20 years and are believed to be tough times 4 of Kenya Gen Zs. Now, government of Museveni, which stand for GM, they believe to be ruled for 40 years. Now, apply the formula of Einstein probability ratio. Apply the formula of Einstein probability ratio. And the formula of Einstein probability ratio look like this, dot and dot. This dot and dot also means the sign of division. Now put this formula here in order to get our answer. Now 20 times 4, which is equals into 80, 40. Now if you divide this by 10, it will become 4. If you divide this 80 by 10, it will become 8. Now you have 8 over 4. Now if you divide this by 2, it will become 2, and if you divide this by 8 by 2, it will become 4 over 2. Now if you divide this 2, it will become 1. If you divide this 2, it will become 2. Now you have found the ratio is Gen Zs are 2 and government of Museveni is 1. Now, according to Uganda Gen Zs, if they demonstrate with no violence and with no destruction of property in Uganda, they could win against the corrupt government of Uganda. China plus Italy plus Belgium equals to Pakistan. China plus Italy plus Belgium equals to Pakistan. How? Now, please pay attention. Simple mathematics. Now, first and foremost, let's go to the word Belgium. Pick the first letter, the word Belgium, like this. Now, apply the formula of alphabetical words according to numbers. How? Apply formula of alphabetical words according to numbers like this. Now, if B equals to 2 according to alphabetical numbers, come and write it here, 2, like this. Now, let's go to the word China. Pick the first letter, C, come and write it here, C, like this. Now, let's go to the word Italy. Pick the first letter, I, to the word Italy. Come and write it here across to C, like this. You have found 92. And according to the people of Pakistan, 92 is the code of Pakistan. Messi, who plays number 10, and Ronaldo, who plays number 7, are on debate who is the GOAT or who is the best footballer player in world. Let's calculate who gonna be the GOAT. Asim Ronaldo is 3 years older than Messi, and all of them are 5 times golden boots. And a play formula of Argentina and Portugal 2022 World Cup winners. Let's calculate who gonna be the GOAT between Messi and Ronaldo. Please pay attention. Now, Messi, we stand for M, is believed to play number 10 in the pitch, and Ronaldo, we stand for Al, is believed to play number 7 in the pitch. Now, the question talk about Ronaldo is 3 years older than Messi. Now take this 3, come and let it here, plus 3 like this. Now if you want, we get 7 plus 3, which is equals into 10, and Messi 10. Now we find that Messi have 10 and Ronaldo have 10. Now the question talk about all of them have 5 times golden boots. All of them have 5 times golden boots. Now take this, come and let it here, times 5 and times 5 like this. Now if you times 10 times 5, which is equals to 50. If 10 times 5, which is equals to 50. Now we find that Messi have 50 and Ronaldo have 50. 50 points, 50 points. Now let's go to the question. Now question talk about a play formula of Argentina and Portugal 2022 World Cup winners. Now we all know that Messi helped Argentina to carry 2022 World Cup game. Now, Ronaldo haven't yet helped Portugal to carry any World Cup. So it means Messi have 1 extra because of World Cup, and Ronaldo have plus 0 extra. Now, if one will get 51 and 50, which means Messi have 51 points and Ronaldo have 50 points. Which means Messi should be the GOAT in football, because Messi has 1 extra point over Ronaldo, because Messi has carried 1 World Cup winner in 2022. So Messi is the GOAT. A plus A equals to B. Prove that A plus A equals to B. I know you are wondering how. Now, please pay attention. Simple mathematics. A plus A equals to B. Now, use the formula of the lambda. Use the formula of the lambda. Put your lambda at this point. Start going to left side like this. Now, you have formed a sleeping B. Now, apply the formula of wakening up. And if you waken this up, it will form B. Let's calculate the missing number. Let's calculate the missing number. 7, 12, 19, 24. The missing number we want to calculate 32, 6, 19, 25. Let's calculate the missing number. Now, please pay attention. Simple mathematics. Now, apply the formula of A-stain. Apply the formula of A-stain. Curved, straight, arrow. And the formula of curved straight arrow look like this: an upper curved arrow and straight curved arrow and downwards curved arrow. Now apply this formula here like this, going leftward like this and negative, and the straight arrow going like this and negative, and downwards arrow going like this and negative. Now please pay attention. Simple mathematics. Now 19 minus 7 and 32 minus 24 and 25 minus 6. Now please pay attention. Simple mathematics. Now 19 minus 7, which is equals into 12. Now 32 minus 24, which is equals into 8, and 25 minus 6, which is equals into 19, like this. Now it means the missing number is 8. Brock Lesnar plus AJ Styles plus Big E equals to John Cena. Prove that Brock Lesnar plus AJ Styles plus Big E equals to John Cena. Now, please pay attention. Simple mathematics. First of all, pick the first letter in every word. Pick the first letter in every word. B, A, and B. You have formed the word B-A-B. Now, apply the formula of alphabetical numbers. How? Apply the formula of alphabetical numbers like this. Now, if B equals to 2, according to the formula of alphabetical number, pick these 2, come and light it here, 2 like this. Now, if A equals to 1, according to alphabetical number, pick this 1, come and light it here, plus 1. Now, if B equals to 2, according to alphabetical numbers, pick these 2, come and light it here, plus 2. If you add 2 plus 1 plus 2 equals to 5. Now, if you count your fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Now, according to all fans of WrestleMania, 5 Knuckle Shako is the sign of John Cena. Donald Trump, who is 78 years old, wants to win 2024 election, but he has to face Kamala Harris, who is 59 years old, who wants to become the president of United States of America. Let's calculate possibility percentage of Trump winning against Kamala, as J.D. Vance is 40 years old and Tim Walz is 60 years old. Assume all of them love dog, cow, and cat. And remember, Trump once was the president of United States of America. Let's calculate possibility percentage of Donald Trump winning against Kamala Harris. Please pay attention. Simple mathematics. Donald Trump, who stands for DT, is 78 years old. And Kamala Harris, who stands for KH, is 59 years old. And their running mate, Tim Walz, who stands for TW, Tim Walz, the running mate of Kamala Harris, is 60 years old. And J.D. Vance, we stand for JD, who is the running mate of Donald Trump, is 40 years old. Now, if you subtract 78 minus 59 equals to 19, 40, 60 minus 40 equals to 20. Now, apply the formula of A-stain periodic table. Apply the formula of A-stain periodic table. The formula of A-stain periodic table. And the formula of A-stain periodic table look like this. This is the formula of A-stain periodic table. Now take this DT, we stand for Donald Trump, and KH, we stand for Kamala Harris. Light KH like this. Now take 19 plus 20, which is equals to 9. 3 equals to 39. Now, let's go back to the question. The question talk about, assume all of them loves dog, cow, and cat. Pick the first letter in the word dog, come and let it here D like this, and in the word cow, C like this, and in the word cuts C like this. Now apply the formula of alphabetical numbers. Apply the formula of alphabetical numbers like this. The formula of alphabetical numbers like this. Now if 4 equals to D according to formula of alphabetical number, pick 4, kamalete here 4 plus. Now if C equals to 3 according to formula of alphabetical number, pick 3, kamalete here 3 plus. If C equals to 3 according to formula of alphabetical number, pick 3, kamalete here 3 like this. Now if you add 4 plus 3 equals to 10. Now 39 plus 10 is equals to 49 like this. Now we got all of them have 49. All of them, Donald Trump have 49 and Kamala Harris has 49. Now the question talk about, and remember, Trump once was the president of United States of America. So Trump has 1 point over Kamala Harris because he was once the president of United States of America. Now take this 1 point because he was once the president of United States of America. Add 49 plus 1 equals to 50 and 49. Now we saw that Trump got 49, 50%, and Kamala Harris got 49%, which means Trump could win this 2024 election in United States of America. Yeah, I'm seeing it in my spiritual, cause you also sing us they eat dog and they eat cats. P. Diddy, who is 54 years, has been arrested for racketeering activities and many other cases by FBI. Let's calculate how many years Diddy could be jailed if the court denied to give Diddy bond and apply the formula of Bad Boys Entertainment. Let's calculate how many years Diddy could be jailed. Now please pay attention. Simple mathematics. P. Diddy, we stand for PD, is believed to be 54 years old. Now let's go back to the question. The question talk about apply the formula of Bad Boys Entertainment. Pick the first letter in the word bad, pick the first letter in the word boys, and the first letter in the word entertainment. Now you have formed BBE. Now apply the formula of alphabetical number. Apply the formula of alphabetical numbers like this. Apply the formula of alphabetical numbers like this. Alphabetical numbers like this. Now if B equals to 2 according to formula of alphabetical number, write 2 like this. Now if B equals to 2 according to formula of alphabetical number, pick 2, kamalete it here plus 2 like this. Now if E equals to 5 according to the formula of alphabetical number, pick 5, kamalete it here plus 5 like this. Now if you add 2 plus 2 plus 5, which is equals to 9. 2 plus 2 plus 5 equals to 9. Now apply the formula of Einstein subtraction. Apply the formula of Einstein subtraction. The formula of Einstein subtraction. And the formula of Einstein subtraction look like this. This is the formula of subtraction. Now apply this formula here and take 9, kamalete it here 9 like this. Now 54 minus 9, which is equals to 45 years. 45 years. Now we have found that P. Diddy could be jailed for 45 years for racketeering activities and many other cases. Now in order P. Diddy to escape this case, he need to talk the truth, because the truth will set him free. Belgium plus Eritrea plus England equals to Tanzania. Belgium plus Eritrea plus England equals to Tanzania. How? Now please pay attention. Simple mathematics. First and foremost, pick the first letter in every word. Pick the first letter in every word. Now you have found the word B. Now apply the formula of alphabetical word and arranging them in orders. How? Like this: A, B, C, D, and E. Now apply the number according to alphabetical orders. Now use this formula. B equals to 2 like this. E equals to 5 and E equals to 5. As all people of Tanzania know, 255 is the code of Tanzania.